Hello friends, be here with a video for Whimsy Stamps. We're going to be making a Valentine card using the Dudley Mail with Love stamp set. We're also going to be using the Rainbow Bridge die set, the Grass and Cloud Edger dies, this stencil which is the Speckle Heart stencil. We're also going to be using two inks, which is one lipstick and Kitsch Flamingo. Let's go ahead and make a card. Here I have a piece of cardstock, and what I'm going to be doing is starting with my worn lipstick, this oxide. I'm going to start at the edges and leaving kind of like in the middle a space so I can come in with the Kitsch Flamingo and blend these two colors. I am going to go ahead and speed through this part and I'll see you at the end. After my background is done, I have positioned my stencil, and with one lipstick I am going to fill this out so I can see my stencil on my cardstock. Again, I am going to speed through this part and I'll see you when it's done. And here is the reveal. Oh my goodness, I love this stencil so much. Then I have this bin. This is my paint splatter bin. And I am going to be using this spray, which is the brush pewter from Ranger, and I am going to use the nozzle and just splatter some around it. I am concentrating my splatter more towards the edges than the middle because I have that heart there, and I don't want to cover it too much because we just did that, right? And then I also have this solar spray from Ranger as well. It is the Cross My Heart, and I am doing the exact same thing and adding some more sparkle to this card. Then I'm just removing my background, and with my heat gun I am drying this. I also like to place my heat tool underneath to really dry it, and look at this, how pretty it looks, so good. And here I have cut in white cardstock my Grass and Cloud Edgers dies, just the grass, and I am using my alcohol markers to add some grass. I am using Ohu markers for this, and I have used GY42, GY5, GY4, and I am also using a Copic marker which is R43 because my background is pink, right? So I kind of wanted to make it look like Dudley's so happy and so loving, sending this happy mail. So his sky is all pink and with a heart, with that stencil that it is. So I wanted to sneak in some pink in my grass as well, and you'll see me do this. I am going to speed through this part. I'll see you at the end. Then I came in with my white acrylic marker. I love this marker. It's great to use with your alcohol markers, but only use them after you're done with your alcohol markers because they will clog your alcohol marker. Ask me how I know that. But I am just adding some white highlights here in both pieces. Now that part is done, I have all my pieces here. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna use from this. I know my stamps, of course, I'm going to use. And all I'm gonna do here is add the grass. I am just trying to figure out exactly how I want it, but I'm gonna speed through this part. I'll see you at the end. For my card base, I have chosen a white cardstock, and all I'm gonna do here is just glue down my background. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I really like how this turned out. And then I am going to start placing my images, my sentiment, and we're gonna be using in this card, we're gonna be using the clouds from the Rainbow Bridge die set. I wanted to use the word love, but it didn't fit right, so I'm not using it. For my images, I am using foam tape as always. And here's how my card turned out. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. And I'm going to be sending this to a friend for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.